After bearing that several middlemen have asked for a meeting with him to get support for the 2022 presidential elections, Cavite Governor John Remulla has issued an apology. Remulla apologized for talking about the 2022 polls amid the surge in COVID-19 cases. Remulla earlier said he would seek the opinion of his constituents on who to support in the coming elections.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.